Hey, what's up everybody? Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to create retargeting audiences. So this is basically people who have engaged with your business in some shape or form, whether it's visiting your website, opening a lead form, watching a video of yours on Facebook, and you want to retarget them to capture their interest and take action of some kind, whether it's booking in a consultation call, purchasing a product, or purchasing a service or online course. So let's show you how to do that. To get started with it, we just need to go over to the three bars section here, and we need to scroll down until we find our audiences section, which is right underneath the advertise section. We want to click on that over there, and that's going to then bring up the audience screen, which is really important for us here because it helps us to create everything in one space. So what you want to do now is click on the blue button in the left-hand section over here and click on the Create Audience button. We want to select Custom Audience. So let's click on that right now. And this is then going to bring up all the possible custom audiences you can create. There is a wide variety here, and we're going to start out with the simple one, which is here on Facebook. So it's Facebook page engagement. We want to click Next. Once we've clicked Next, we want to select the specific type of action that somebody took. So you can go broad-based here and go after anybody who is engaged with your page, or you can go down to something more specific, such as people who have engaged with any post or ad you have put up in the last period of time that you select. So in this example, let's just go with anyone who engaged with your page, and let's select the time period of 365 days. So that's the last year anybody who is engaged. And let's give it a suitable title, which is Facebook 365 Engagement All, and create that audience. And once we've done that, we can move over to creating the next audience, which is, again, a custom audience. And let's select an Instagram account this time. Let's click on Next. And for this example, let's go after an Instagram account, which is obviously this business account right here. And we'll select McAdam Marketing, anyone who engaged with this professional account. But this time, we'll go after anybody who engaged with a post or ad, because this audience will be a little warmer and more interested in what we have to offer. So let's select people who engage with post or ad and give it the appropriate title again. And there we go. And then at the front, we'll just put IG so we know what audience it is. And then we want to select Create Audience. That's then going to create the second audience. So you can see right here already the audience that we have created for Facebook and Instagram, and also the estimated size as well. So let's then go on to the next possible audience we could have, which is one that's really popular, is website visitors. We want to click on Your Sources as Website, and we want to select Next. Now, very important here is to always make sure that your Facebook pixel is working and is also the one that you want. And for this one here, we're going to select all website visitors. Although, if you want to select a specific type of website visitor, you can click on people who visited specific web pages or visitors by time spent. Or, to go even more specific, the type of action that somebody took on your website. With the iOS 14 changes, we want to go broad-based because we want to capture as many people as possible. So we're going to go all website visitors, and we're going to go 180 days. So let's type in that right there. Website 180, all traffic, and let's select Create Audience. You're now going to see that website all traffic is coming up right here, along with Instagram, post ad engagement, and all Facebook engagement as well. Final one that is very helpful to create these days is also video views for people who have watched your content. So let's select meta sources video and go to next. That's going to bring up the custom audience tab creation here. We just need to select the type of content that people have watched by duration. And in this example, it's going to be something a bit more higher end. So people that have watched at least 50% of your video. And then you can select the videos that you've got on your channel that you want to retarget people on based on watch time. So let's just give this one video views, 365 days, watched 50% plus. We then just head over here to choose the videos, and let's choose this one right over here and select confirm. You then want to create the audience now, and this may take a bit of time, but as you can see, it's slowly processing and uploading. So those are some of the easiest ways to set up custom audiences on Facebook. That's a broad, brief overview. I hope you found this video tutorial useful, everybody. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button down below and hit that subscribe button as well if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye for now.